There's a lot of excitement around AI, but also real concern. What are the biggest risks you see when AI is applied to critical infrastructure and security?
Critical infrastructure and security necessarily rely on a high degree of accuracy. And we're talking about implications to nations, to corporations, to enterprises, to critical infrastructure. And in those cases, errors are just not tolerated well. And most systems are designed around resilience and accuracy. And in that world, when you introduce AI, the number one thing you need to start thinking about is hallucinations. Hallucinations are AI's way of confidently giving you an answer that is inaccurate, that a human might figure out some other way is inaccurate, but has now delivered it to you with some level of confidence. And as it evolves, there's a possibility of hallucinations not only today but tomorrow because a tiny little bias that was introduced at one point propagated over time to cause bigger and bigger issues. So when you think about critical infrastructure, you got to think about some of the basics around service level agreements, 99+% service level agreements, and your ability to introduce AI in a very specific use case that doesn't introduce this kind of hallucinations. So the question becomes, how do you build a system that can have the fault tolerance that you'd require on critical infrastructure?